So today I've created this look with a whole heap of new products from an Etoile event, and check out, this was the bag that was filled to here with products. So many new products, so many gorgeous products. So I thought I would do this makeup look just trying on all the different products that I have. So I'd love to hear your thoughts. Let me know what you think.
So the first product that I'm trying is this lovely hyaluronic cloud cream. Now it's by Peter Thomas Roth. Instantly it is so smooth to pop on. What I do love about this is it is a refillable jar, which I think is quite neat. So it's called a water drench, so definitely great for this cool climate at the minute, and it's really soaking into my skin. Next I have the Kosas. This is one of their sunscreens, so I'm placing it on. It has a very slight tint to it, but not too much. As you can see, it sort of just disappears. So another great sunscreen. Now this is quite sought after. I haven't tried the Kosas before, but I did realize as soon as I popped this on, I was going to put on a foundation that has a sunscreen in it as well. So now today I have double screened. So anyway, all the better. Just showing you the BK Beauty brushes and how they are so neat. And then I thought I better do my brows because they were annoying me. So brush that through. This is the Dr. Jart. So this is like a BB cream, and it also has an SPF 40. So really good. And I'm applying this with one of the BK Beauty brushes. Now this one has a slight angle, and I just need to remember exactly the number this brush is, and I will probably put it into the comments. It is gorgeous, such a great brush, really easy to apply this product. Now this is going on really nicely. As you can see, I haven't used too much of the product, and you can actually build it up. So it is definitely buildable. And I found it was really nice all day. It sat well. It's possibly a little bit more glowy than I would like, but I have a feeling that's because I have popped on another sunscreen underneath, so that could be the reason. So I will definitely be giving this a full-on try. The shade that I'm using is the light medium. So there are quite a few shades in this range, and it's called Dr. Jart Plus. So just working that in. Then I'm going to use another angled brush by the BK Beauty. This is like the baby version of the one that I had before, and this is the Merit. So this is the Merit contour stick in, I'm pretty sure it's called Seine or Seine. And I'm just placing this around my face to create a little bit of warmth. Today is my second to last day in New York City. So hence I've got my jumper on and I'm having a very casual day today. So we're going to wander around the city, do a little bit of sightseeing, and just really soak up the last few days. It is snowing, has been snowing outside, and a little bit cool. I'm placing that over the eyelids as well. This is another really groovy product. Now I will put this in description because I actually don't know what it's called, and I've popped it in my handbag. I've quite enjoyed it. It does contain collagen, so it's for your lips and cheeks, and it's just like a flush balm. Really love it. Now this is one of the Angie Hot and Flashy brushes. This particular brush has a bit of an angle. I will put this in the comments and I will add it to my Shop My. I think this brush is amazing. It's basically like using a little finger underneath your eye, and it's just the perfect angle and placement for adding a little bit of concealer. So I absolutely love it. So I will do a video where I go through some of the brushes because I feel it's really important to have good brushes. They really help to make a really good makeup application. This is the Power Brow by Rumi Cosmetics. I love this one. As you know, I've used it quite often. This is not one of the new products, and I'm just placing that through my brows. I'm also adding the Ardell. This is the Brow Fix. It's a gel brow, and this really helps to keep those brows in place. This is the Urban Decay, and it is in Smog. So it's like a sort of a light tanny brown shade. It is so creamy. As you can see, it was very easy to create that little baby wing, and it's a really nice shade. So it's not like a chocolate brown. I feel it's more of a tan brown, and I'm just placing that along my lash line and also getting that inner corner there and doing that little wing. This is the Cool Neutrals palette by Makeup by Mario. So I'm just going to set the eyeshadow or the foundation that I placed to get rid of some of that oiliness on my lids. And I'm going in with the cooler browns today, just to see what this would look like. I feel like I was wearing this nice blue top, so I thought the cooler shades would really help to sort of bring out my eyes and complement what I'm wearing. So I'm just running that nice light brown shade through the crease there, creating a nice shape for my eye, and just blending it in with another one of the BK Beauty brushes. This one is one of their blending brushes, and it is in the number 212. These are fast becoming my favorite brushes of all time and just create such a great makeup look. The mascara is in Tower 28 and it is called Drift. So it's more of a chocolate brown mascara. So I quite like this. It's a little more subtle, not so dramatic as black, and I really feel it enhances this look quite well. Going in with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Bronzer in number 2, and I'm just going over that cream contour that I did earlier. Placing the Candy Blush by Pony Cosmetics on this angle brush, and just really placing that on high points of my cheeks. Going back in with that really cute little brush that I used earlier on for the concealer, and I'm just really setting this product in place, getting rid of a little bit of that shine that I have that's come on my face. So just mattifying around the T-zone and really enhancing the cheekbones there. Kosas, another gorgeous Kosas product. This is the lip oil, which has made its way into my handbag.
So I hope you enjoyed this look. That is the final look. I'm loving this lip oil. It is gorgeous. So yeah, all the products are fairly new to me, so I will keep trying them out. Thanks for watching.